guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy's TV. So I'm going to show you how to write a unique blog post using ChatGPT prompts. So let's go by, first step is to go to your browser, whether Chrome or Brave, and go to the ChatGPT site. So this is the ChatGPT and you have to drop the prompt. So let's get the prompt. I've already saved it on my clipboard. So this is the prompt and you have to write it this way. Write a very long article in full details with introduction, subtitles and conclusion. The keyword is, you have to drop your keyword here. Make it very long with more than 2000 words and add it if it is necessary. Write it in a HTML code view. So let's insert the keyword here. Let's write something like how to create a blog. You have to click this icon here to continue the content. So guys, here is a blog post of more than 2000 words. So you have to copy the post and go to your blog. Alright guys, this is my blog and this is my dashboard. I'm using Blogger. For those of you using WordPress, you can also go on to add it using the HTML view. So let's go on to add a post. And this is it. So all I have to do now is to change it to HTML view. Choose HTML and just input the post you copied. So this is the blog post you copied and you have to delete something here. You have to delete this head tag together with the HTML tag. At the end here, you have to also delete the end, the body tag with the HTML closing tag. Then you're good to go. You can now change it back to compose view. So guys, as you can see the content now, this is the blog post. As you can see, this is the heading, then the introduction with the table of contents. So you can now add your title, how to create a blog. So guys, this is how to write a unique post using ChatGPT prompts. Thanks for watching.